Wait for the right time. These were the words my father used to repeat. For a long time, I believed them. Everyone says the same thing. Be patient. Things will change. Someday, everything will be better. But one day, I learned something important. Time does not change life. Action does. Let me tell you a story. In a small town, there lived a young man named Kareem. He had dreams, but he lived in waiting mode. Every day he said, "Tomorrow I will start." Tomorrow never came. He watched others move forward. Some failed, some succeeded, but all of them tried. Kareem only waited. One evening, his mother asked him quietly, "Why are you so afraid to begin?" He answered, "I'm not afraid. I'm just waiting for the right time." That night, he could not sleep. A simple thought stayed in his mind. What if the right time never comes? The next morning, he did something small. He wrote one goal, then one action. It was not big, it was not perfect, but it was real. Slowly, his life began to change. Not because time helped him, but because he helped himself. Remember this, waiting feels comfortable, but it steals your future. The right time is created by action, not by hope. If this story made you think, write your thoughts in the comments. If you want more stories like this, subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us share more lessons like this.